Number one rule when creating a balloon garland, try not to use old balloons. They will more than likely pop, no matter the quality. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how I prep for one of my grab and go balloon garlands. A grab and go balloon garland is one of the services that I offer, which is a cheaper option. So I basically create the balloon garland with the design and the customer just comes and picks it up. Normally my grab and goes take up no more than 30 minutes, but this one was a little iffy. So for my grab and goes, I normally use high quality balloons, but with this Tough Text brand that I had, it was kind of an old bag. And I don't know, the balloons were just sticking together. So some of my lighter balloons were popping, and that's a no-go. Especially since it's a custom color and you can see the original color underneath, I had to take alternative measures. So for the majority of this video, I did stick to the original colors with the brown inside of blush. But they kept popping, especially when I started to create my clusters. And I didn't want any mishaps when the client came to pick up the balloons. So I end up creating another custom color similar to this one, which you'll see at the end. And for this garland, this is one of my basic balloon garlands. With my grab and goes, I create options for the clients, either a basic, which is 11 inches and 5 inches, or a standard garland, which is 17, 11, and 5 inches, or one of my extravagant garlands, which is 24 inches, 17, 11, and 5 inches, which I honestly think either option comes out beautifully. So my client requested baby pink, nude, and white for a baby shower. So I had to create some custom colors for it. I just had like the standard colors. Even though I think the double stuff custom colors look a little more professional, it does cost extra to double stuff because I am using more balloons, as well as takes more time to create the garland. However, it does make it look a little more official. As you can see, the balloons are very opaque, which I love, but it is pricier. For this grab and go, I created an 8 foot. My grab and goes are normally 8 foot the max and 4 foot the minimum. And that's how I price my garlands, by foot. I also have a 3 color maximum, anything else is extra. So this is my third color, which I did not double stuff since it's just white. A side note, if you're looking to create a balloon garland, I have full detailed tutorials on my channel. I have different methods, tips and tricks, so just check out the channel if you're interested. And I know it's been a while since I've done a balloon video. I've actually stepped away for balloons for a little bit, and I do feel a little rusty, but I got in the groove of it again. I was able to create it in less than an hour, so that was a plus. Once I completed all the 11-inch clusters, I moved on to the 5-inch clusters. I created about 7 clusters altogether, and I think I used 8 balloons in each cluster. And that's my method when I'm creating a basic balloon garland. For my smaller clusters, I did not have 5 inches in all colors, so I had to create it with the 11 inches, and you can see I'm struggling with the double stuffed ones. It does take a little more practice to create these smaller double stuffed balloons. But we got it together, and I'm just adding some rubber bands so I can connect it into the main garland. And I want to say it took me roughly about 20 minutes to blow up all the balloons, especially with the mishaps I was having. Now that I've created all my clusters, now it's time to connect the garland, which can give or take be easy or could be complicated sometimes, especially using custom double stuffed balloons because it takes more strength to tie the necks together. But we're moving along. As you can see, I was having some trouble. Some of my clusters were unraveling, and I believe one of the reasons why is because I was using the old blush balloons. So I end up taking them out the garland and replacing them with another color, which I believe was with Qualitex Brown and Ivory, which I didn't film on camera, but you'll see a slight difference at the end. Next, I go in and tie my garland to the wall so I can style it with the small clusters. This is when I put my design skills to test. First thing I do is go in and shape my garland to my liking, and then I start to add the more smaller details. See, as you can see, it's not always easy connecting these garlands together, especially when it's double stuffed. Now that it's looking good, we can add in the smaller details. For this part, I'm just connecting my 5-inch balloon clusters using rubber bands. And this is my final step for my grab and goes. I connect 260 balloons into the top, middle, and bottom sections of the balloon garland, so it's easier for my clients to just hook it onto a wall or wherever they're hooking it to. I also provide wall hooks and extra tie-in balloons just in case they need it. Just like that, we're done. I unhook it and make sure that everything is secure and ready for pickup. You can see the slight difference of the nude color, which I switched out, but it came out beautiful. I sent the picture to my client before pickup and she was so in love, and that's all that really matters. My last and final step is to make sure my client has a hassle-free pickup, and that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was very informative. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for a grab and go garland, I'm in the Dallas area. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.